And then yun, so after I graduate college, dun na ako nakapasok ako sa isang state media. And I'm really grateful because dito ko, marami akong natutuhan in my experience. Dun ko na-realize kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ko at ayokong maging. Ayokong maging. And
So, ano yung gusto mo before you continue? Paano mo, ano yung na-found out mo? Ano yung gusto mo? And ano yung ayaw mo? Because it's easy for us, as usual, Ma'am Sarah, na alam natin yung ayaw natin. Pero hindi natin naiisip ano yung gusto natin. But you said, na-found out mo both. So, ano muna yung nalaman mo na gusto mo talaga?
freedom.
Wow, okay.
I realized, kasi for me, pag nakikita ko yung, okay, ang pinaka gusto ko talagang maging is to become a broadcast journalist. I really want to become a broadcast journalist. So, yun, idol ko sila Cara David, Atom Paraulio, parang wow, super astig na
Yung mga
ginagawa
OG
nila.
natin,
Yes,
oo.
you're telling stories, you're traveling places, you're going to places, and then, nung nandun na ako, I made one mistake.
Wow.
So, writer pa lang po ako noon, sulat ako ganyan. And then, may nasulat akong isang maling detalye dun sa guest namin. So, kinausap ako nung producer ko that time. Sarah, nagagalit yung guest natin. May sinabi daw na ganito, ganyan. Wala naman daw ganun. Sabi ko, ha? Tapos sabi ko, oh my gosh, ganyan. So, nag-check ako ng group chat and then yung guest namin na nagagalit siya. Where did you get this information? I didn't mention anything like that. So I was shocked and I was like, oh my gosh. So the story was taken down and that particular thing that I put there accidentally was chopped out. It was cut out. And then I won't forget about this kasi yun yung naging click sa akin na parang ayoko na pala. Ayoko na nito kasi pag nagkamali ka pala ng isang impormasyon, lagot ka. I'm grateful kasi yung producer ko that time, he's very kind and he handled the situation as, number one, professionally, and number two, yung talagang as gentle as he could. So sabi niya na it's okay, sasamahan kitang mag-explain sa heads natin, hindi mo naman sinasadya, okay lang yan. And magagawa naman ng paraan. Pero ang hindi ko makakalimutan na sinabi ko dun sa G's namin is, I apologize, sir, for this wrong information and I take responsibility for it. So habang nasa jeep ako nun pa uwi, naisip ko, paano kaya pa naging broadcast journalist na ako, tas may nasabi akong mali, tapos naka-live. Wala na, I'm dead. Ganon. So, dahil dun sa mistake na yon, parang sobrang tumama siya sa akin na, ayoko na maging broadcast journalist. I just want to be free and happy and do whatever I want.
Parang trauma yun, diba?
I think, yes po. And hindi ko in-expect na ganun pala kalalim yung impact sa akin kasi biglang, boom! Kapag tinatanong ako, akala namin, ganyan, inaasahan ka na namin na magbabalita ka na sa GMA. Tapos, kada magpo-post ang iba't ibang, what do you call this, news networks na we're looking for, journalist. Ang dami nagtatag sa akin, like, sobrang dami talaga. May nagsisend pa ng link. Sabi ko, ayoko na.
What were you feeling at the time when pag tinatag ka nila and then you had that wound, right?
I felt, andun pa din naman yung parang, try ko kaya. Tapos biglang maaalala ko na naman yun. So, wag na lang. Para safe tayo, wag na lang. Kasi ang hirap pag nagkamali eh.
Oo.
And then yun, takot akong magkamali. Sobrang takot na takot akong magkamali. Kasi nga pa nagkamali ka,